Wipro Q3 FY26 results, revenue grows, profit margins stable despite transitional costs. Wipro reported consolidated revenue of approximately 23,556 crore rupees for Q3 FY26, showing a 5.5% year-on-year increase and 3.8% sequential growth. Growth was driven by continued demand across its services, digital transformation programs, and enterprise technology solutions in key markets. Despite revenue expansion, net profit fell by 7% year-on-year to 3,119 crore rupees, affected by one-time charges from restructuring and the implementation of new labor regulations. Adjusted for these transitional costs, profit shows stable underlying performance, indicating operational resilience. The IT services segment, contributing the majority of revenue, achieved $2.63 billion, reflecting steady demand in cloud, cybersecurity, and AI-led projects. Margins improved sequentially, with operating margin at 17.6%, due to disciplined cost management, optimized delivery mix, and reduction in subcontractor dependency. Total deal bookings during the quarter reached around $3.3 billion, with large deals totaling approximately $871 million. While bookings were slightly below peak levels, Wipro continues to secure long-term contracts in strategic digital transformation areas. Cash flow generation remained robust, with operating cash flow exceeding 135% of net income, demonstrating strong working capital management and financial flexibility. This supports ongoing investment in high-growth areas and reinforces the balance sheet. Employee metrics showed voluntary attrition at 14.2% on a trailing 12-month basis, indicating stabilization in talent retention. Headcount increased moderately to meet client requirements and digital service delivery needs. The company declared an interim dividend of 6 rupees per share, emphasizing continued focus on shareholder returns and capital allocation discipline. The company declared an interim dividend of 6 rupees per share, emphasizing continued focus on shareholder returns and capital allocation discipline. Overall, Q3 FY26 results reflect a company maintaining revenue growth, stable margins, strong cash generation, and strategic positioning for sustained digital services demand, despite temporary earnings headwinds.